A couple days ago, I said I was going to show you how to do a couple other things with the ListView control. And today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the sorting function in the ListView. Now, if you remember, again, from a couple days ago, we were working on a ListView that was basically a repeater type of control. And you remember from the old 2005 days, and just a couple weeks ago, we had the data list control. And the data list control would do essentially this presentation, but there was no really good built-in way of sorting. When you look at the list view control and you look at the properties and you look at the smart functions here, you configure data source. We go in here and take a look at things. That's the data source, sorry. Configure list view. You look in here, it's like, how do I sort this? What in the world? You've got enable editing, inserting, and deleting, which we don't have enabled because we're not, we haven't provided those functions in the SQL. And there's nothing over here in the properties window that makes any sense. Let's bring this out a little bit so you can see more. And we select that. Look at the properties. There's nothing there. It's no good way to do it. So you're probably looking at that and thinking, gee, I guess I can't sort. Well, you'd be wrong, because if you look in the documentation, you'll find out that what you have to do is you have to go into the source. And there's a bunch of commands, and everything's a link button or a push button. What we're going to do is go in here and look for the layout template. Now the layout template is really kind of the top level template. This is where everything gets laid out in the control. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and put in, we're going to put a table in here. Run that equals server. ID equals sort. And we'll go in. And we're only going to put one cell in here because all we want to do is sort by one field just to get the ID here. So TR, TD, and now here comes the key to this. We're going to put a link button in here. And let's be colon link button. ID equals, call it sort first name because we're going to sort by the first name field. Make it a run at server control. We want ability here. Okay, command name. We're going to make it command name equals sort. That'll make it sort. And then command argument is what do we want to sort by. And in this case, we want to sort by the first name field. And again, if you look at the fields from what we put in last week, you'll see we have a first name field here. So we're going to put in sort by first name. And now we're ready to run it. And here we go. Now we're sort by first name. All I have to do is click this now, and it automatically sorts everything in alphabetical order, and now it's sorting everything in descending order. And that's really all there is to sorting. So that's how you sort. And basically, if you want to do an insert and edit and update, it's the same type of commands. And maybe in a couple of days, we'll take a look at doing an insert, update, delete type thing, just so you can see what that's like.